Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Update both devices and plug the watch into power so sensors calibrate. Once done, open the iPhone Health app and allow data sharing with Apple Watch. This lets metrics sync securely. Then, on the watch itself, open the Health app and grant motion, heart rate, and wrist detection permissions so continuous monitoring starts. These steps ensure data flows both ways and that metrics are accurate before you proceed to recording and customizing the app. Next, calibrate and customize. Calibrate motion by taking a 20-minute outdoor walk with your iPhone's GPS on so pace and calorie estimates improve. Make sure your health profile contains accurate age, weight, and height, and select preferred units. This changes all calculations. Then, on iPhone and watch, enable relevant notifications, set activity goals that match your fitness level, and add a health-centric watch face complication to surface metrics quickly. These actions refine accuracy and make to complete the workflow, start a workout directly from the watch and monitor live metrics. End the session to save accurate data. Once done, open the iPhone Health app to review trends, compare days, and export summaries if needed for provider visits. If metrics look off, try one key troubleshooting move. Reboot both devices, then repair the watch if discrepancies persist. If calibration still seems wrong, reset fitness calibration in settings and repeat the 20-minute walk. That usually fixes common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.